This is probably the best of the best in terms of having a commercial vehicle. This is a new 2025 model year on a 74 plate Land Rover Discovery R Dynamic HSE, finished in Santorini black. It's a delivery mileage vehicle. It's done 53 miles only. We don't get many of these, a hard vehicle to come by. This has a fantastic factory specification. There's about £10,000 worth of additional extras on top of the HSE dynamic spec. And this has the new engine, the D350 3 litre. So the highest brake horsepower output Land Rover do on a diesel. A lot of packs on this one. It looks fantastic, all black. It's got the 22-inch gloss black alloy wheels. We've even got red brake calipers. A lot of packs on this one. So we've got the towing pack, which obviously has the electric tow bar. We've also got tow assist. It's got technology pack. We've got heads-up display. Full gloss black grills. LED headlamps. Black Discovery badging, and this is a delivery mileage vehicle, only 53 miles only, so it is as new as they can come. 5-arm 22s, gloss black with the red calipers, gloss black side vents with the Discovery logo, gloss black bonnet vents. I'm going to show you inside before going down the back end of the vehicle. Most of the spec you'll see is in this interior. So full black perforated leather with white stitching. Comfort headrests, can you see there? The sides of the headrest come out, giving you that more comfortable feel. Captain's armrests. New style steering wheel. We've got adaptive cruise control, heated cold climate pack, so you get the heated steering wheel, heated washer jets, full digital dash with only 53 miles. Rubber mats, Meridian upgraded surround, got memory seats, electric steering column, wireless charger for your phone. And this has also got heads-up display, which is quite a rare option on a Discovery Commercial. Front centre armrest fridge. It's got a lot of advanced off-road packs as well, which cost about £1,000 extra. So really big spec. All the packs and everything this vehicle's got is in our description on our website. Got black side steps. And these are VAT qualifying, tax efficient vehicle for business use. This is classed as a van with low benefit in kind. They are simply the best of the best in terms of running something through your business. Air suspension, so we've got all the buttons at the back here. We can lower the split tailgate. We've got the ability to raise and higher the back end of the vehicle for loading up on the air suspension. And then, I'll just shut that. It's an expensive option, the electric tow bar, part of the towing pack. You've got underfloor storage areas in the back, and then if I open the side door, you've also got storage underneath. So very practical vehicle if you keep it as a van. A lot of people also then do a rear seat conversion. Looks fantastic. In stock today. There's not many of these about, plus with all the extras on top. Physical and ready to go. All the listing, 20 plus photos, all the specification on our website, www.ma-sv.co.uk. If interested in this one, please give me a call on 0777 111 2040. Thank you for watching.